Mommy, what you doing?
Ugh.
Are those your kitchen tiles?
I don't know. What do they look like?
Oh, look now, Liam's getting in the car. You lost your shoe again. Oh, can you put your shoe back on? Oh, Liam's gonna drive away. Don't push him. Don't push him. He's not in all the way.